Hi everyone. In this video, I will discuss about the global variable in Python. So what is global variable? Variable that is created outside or inside of the function is called global variable. You can define the global variable outside of the function or inside of the function. So in inside of the function, you will have to utilize the global keyword. So I will let you know the practical how we can define the global variable with global keyword. As of now, here I have two examples. So what is these two examples? So see here, global variable can be used inside or outside of the function. So global variable can be write down outside of the function and inside of the function using global keyword, and same variable global variable is used inside of the function and outside of the function. It means you can write down the function outside and inside, and you can utilize the function inside and outside. Okay, so see here I have taken very easy example. Here I have taken the variable name as a x. In x I have stored easy to learn, and then I have defined the function def. This is name of the function. If you want to write down any function, you will have to write down def. Def means definition. Then function name can be anything. Here I'm not covering the function part, but as of now I need to cover the global variable. It's mandatory to cover little bit about the function. Okay, so I will detail discussion in further video about the function. Okay, so as of now try to understand. Here I'm just declaring uh, function to use the global variable. So here I have written python is a fixed character, and in variable x what I have written easy to learn. So your output will be Python is easy to learn if you call that function in this way. Next example I have taken x equal to awesome, and here I have written function def my function, and then I have written Python is space, then in x I have stored easy to learn. So your output will be Python is easy to learn. And after block after function block I have utilized this same variable. So here I have utilized the same variable which is inside of the function. Here I have utilized the same variable which is outside of the function. So your output will be Python is easy to learn. Here this is the output. Easy. Python is awesome, not easy to learn. Python is awesome, and here you will get same Python is awesome. Okay, now I will do same example. So let's see. Moving on, Jupyter notebook. This is my Jupyter notebook. Here I'm writing variable name should be logical. So here my variable name is about course, and here I'm storing easy to learn. Okay. Here I have declared the global variable. Why we can say this is a global variable? Because this variable I have written outside of the function. In Python, as you know, no need to declare. Here you need to write down the variable. So here you need to write def, then you have to write down the function name. My function. This is the name of the function. You can write anything here. In this place, you can write down anything. Even you can write down XYZ as well. Okay. Now you need to take here colon, then enter. Now you have to utilize the global variable. So you need to write here print, then you have to write here about course. Now come down, and here you need to call the function. My function name is my function bracket start bracket close. Whenever you will run, your output will be easy to learn. But what is easy to learn? This is not right output. So you need to concatenate fixed value, then variables value. Here I want to take here fixed value as a Python is, then you have to take a space, inverted comma. Then you have to take a space, plus sign, and then again a space. Okay. Now run it. Your output is logically correct. Python is easy to learn. If I take output easy to learn, what is easy to learn? So here I have taken Python is a fixed word. Okay. And here I have taken Python is a fixed word. And here I have concatenated the value. Here I have combined the value with Python is then variables value. So Python is easy to learn is a logical output. Okay. Now, same thing I want to do here. So if you want to take same output, so see here I'm just taking same output outside of the variable, outside of the function. So here I'm taking this. Now run it. So see here you are getting two outputs. But here I want to take Java is. So your output will be Python is easy to learn, Java is easy to learn. Okay. Because in global variable I have stored easy to learn. So here I have taken Python is, here I have taken Java is. So Python is easy to learn is a inside of the function, and outside of the function is Java is then variables value. So that's why you are getting Python is easy to learn is a inside of the functions output, and Java is output which is outside of the function. Okay. So this is all about how we can utilize the global variable. Now I will take second example. So here I have taken one cell and I want to take here same global variable, but I will utilize this global variable within inside of the function. So let's see, try to ignore it. Okay. Now here I'm just writing about course equal to, I'm taking easy to learn. But this variable, this global variable, I want to define within a function. But this variable will be global variable. So it's not mandatory if you are writing the variable outside of the function, that is only global variable. So you can utilize the global keyword to write down the global variable within a function. So let's see. Here I'm taking def my function bracket start bracket close, now colon, and here I'm taking print Python is space, then you have to take plus sign, then variable name is, here I have not written any variable. So what I have to do here, I need to write down one variable global, then variable name is about course, and you have to store the variables value easy to learn. Now here I need to write about course, and then you have to call the function. So within function, so here you need to call the function my function bracket start bracket close. So this is a block, this is a function block. Okay. Within this function block I have declared the global variable, and in global variable I have stored easy to learn, and then I have taken the output within a function. Within a function I have taken the output of the global variable. So see here I run it. So see here my output is Python is easy to learn. Now I will take this global variable output outside of the function. So see here I'm just writing print, and here I'm taking Java is space and then you have to take plus and about course, run it. Now your output is Java is easy to learn. So inside function, you are getting Python is easy to learn. This is a first output, which is a inside of the function. Outside of the function, your output is Java is easy to learn. Okay. So that's all about the global variable. Thank you so much.